everyone, this is Maggie from Vehicle Industry. Today we show you a medium-size electric ATV for adults. This one, the motor is 800 watts shaft motor. The battery inside is 48 volt and 20 ampere hours. The speed of this model is around 45 kilometers per hour. The range of this model is around 40 kilometers for charge. This one, the length is around 150 centimeters. The width is around 110 centimeters. The height of this ATV is around 90 centimeters. The ground clearance of this model is around 20 centimeters. The seat height of this model is around 70 centimeters. Now you can see the ATV equipped with front drum brake and rear disc brake. The tire is 8-inch alloy wheel. Here, this is the speed switch and the forward reverse gear. This one is the start key and equipped with the meter can show the battery capacity, range and the speed. Here is the light switch. Electric model is very easy to drive. If you have interested of this model, welcome to visit our official website www.vehicleindustry.com. Thank you for watching and see you next time.